Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how to make this refreshingly fresh gluten-free blueberry pie. You know I love a great traditional two-crust blueberry pie, but this one uses only one crust and the filling isn't baked at all. It's a combination of a blueberry compote and fresh blueberries, and it's as fresh and fruity as it looks. So let's get into it and I'll show you how to make it. We're going to go ahead and make the filling now, and to do that we start with 3/4 cup or 150 grams of sugar, 3 tablespoons or 24 grams of cornstarch, and about 1/8 teaspoon or so of salt, just a pinch basically. And I'm going to whisk all this together first. And then I'll add in 1/4 cup or 60 grams of cold water, and I'll whisk this again so it's nice and smooth and there are no lumps of cornstarch. Okay, I'll add in 3 cups or 15 ounces, which is just under a pound of fresh blueberries. And I'll turn the heat on now to about medium high, and stir this just occasionally until it comes to a boil. And a few minutes later, this has come to a boil. So I'm going to turn my heat down and keep it at a low simmer, and then frequently stir it until it's basically thickened and the berries are soft and like jammy. And that'll take about 5 to 7 minutes. So while that's doing its thing, I'll quickly go through how I blind baked my pie crust. See my in-depth video for how to make the pie crust, which I've linked up above. Just to go over this quickly, I rolled out my pie crust and I crimped it, and then I froze it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I used a fork and pricked it all over, including the sides. And then I crumpled up a piece of parchment and lined the pie crust with it. And I filled it fully to the top with pie weights. In this case, it was rice, but use what you have: rice, beans, actual ceramic pie weights, or even sugar. And then I baked it for 15 minutes at 375. I removed it from the oven and carefully removed the parchment and the pie weights and placed it back in the oven for an additional 10 to 15, maybe 20 minutes, or until the crust is fully baked through and golden brown. Alright y'all, this compote looks so good, and it smells amazing, y'all. See what I mean by jammy? I'll take this off the heat and add a tablespoon of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, and a tablespoon of butter. That just makes it nice and glossy. And then another 2 cups or 10 ounces of fresh blueberries. And then just mix this through and pour it into my baked pie crust. It's just that simple, you guys. I'll get this into the fridge for at least 2 hours, but overnight is even better if you can wait that long. And look, y'all, look at how wonderfully the filling has set up. It's pretty much all blueberries. I mean, you saw it. A little sugar, a little thickener, but otherwise blueberries, and more blueberries. The pie crust is really flaky too, y'all. I just love how the textural contrast between like the jammy blueberries and the fresh ones. The fresh ones kind of pop in your mouth or burst in your mouth when you take a bite. And then you've still got their integrity surrounded by all those cooked down blueberries. It is so good, y'all. Enjoy.